Today we are going to practice adding fractions and setting them up. So the first one I want you to practice with me is 1/3 plus 2/5. And I want you to write this in your guided practice. 1/3 plus 2/5. Now I'm going to circle the denominators, the bottom number, because I want you to notice that they're not the same number. So this reminds me of our example with Jose and Carlos when they had different number of slices of pizza in their pizza boxes and we had to make them even before we could find their total slices, adding them together. So we're going to need to make new fractions or equivalent fractions that have the same denominator. Now the way I'm going to find a number that 3 and 5 both go into is by listing each of their multiples. So let's start with 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and then we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Now I see a number that they have in common. I see 15 and 15. So we can cut their pizza so that they now each have 15 slices. Now, this pizza used to only have 3. Now I need to give it 15. So I have to make each of those pieces into 5 more. So I need to multiply 3 times 5 to get to 15. I'm going to do that on the top and bottom because I have to cut the slice that was already eaten too. Now, to get from 5 to 15, I need to multiply by 3 on the top and bottom. The way I can find what to multiply by, this missing factor right here, is also by counting down my multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to multiply across my numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. And I now can add my slices for Jose and Carlos pizza. 5 plus 6 is 11. And it's out of 15 pieces. There are no common factors between 11 and 15, so this is my final answer. I can't reduce it. 11 out of 15 is my final answer. Make sure you have this recorded in Guided Practice 1.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.